This Beachfront Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Josey Ruccolo. Beautiful seasonal rental with a spectacular view of the lake. Spacious condo with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and walk-in closets. Amazing unit and nicely furnished with open kitchen tile floors, huge dining/living room with sliding door to the gorgeous screened balcony facing the lake. The Palm Air Country Club is a desirable community that offers a convenient location with walking trails, lakes and golf courses close to everything. Come make this our home for this winter. For more information, review the details below or contact Josey Ruccolo at 954-275-6049.